the Placentia Yorba Linda Unified School District wants you to be a child care teacher in our district. Are you interested in a rewarding job working with children in a school setting? We offer competitive wages and flexible part-time schedules all throughout the day across our award-winning schools. Our child care teachers assist in creating, organizing, and directing a before and after school child care program and environment conducive to students' learning and personal growth. In order to qualify for these positions, you must possess a high school diploma with 12 units of early childhood education or child development preferred. So join the Placentia Yorba Linda Unified School District as a child care teacher today and be part of the heart and soul of our organization. Apply online now at edjoin.org/PYLUSD or call 714-985-8410 for more details.